Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening as per your time zone. I, Aparnika Sahu, welcome you all again to my channel, Dance with Aparnika. Today, we will move on to the second part of Teermanam Adavu 3 and the bowl is kittak Dhari tom. Whatever we did in the second part of Teermanam Adavu 2, we will follow the same method in this as well. 1 Dhari tom 1 Dhari tom 1 Dhari tom 1 Dhari tom. The zerk which we did in the second part of Teermanam Adavu 2, the same method will be followed in this step also, and the beginning position will be the same as part 1 of Teermanam Adavu 3. 1 Dhari tom 1 Dhari tom 1 1 2 3 1 1 2 3. Kittak Dhari tom 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 kittak Dhari tom. So this is the second part of Teermanam Adavu 3. See you in my next video, and if my videos is useful for you, so please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comments. Bye bye and thank you for watching.